How to create a sitemap in WordPress. I am going to show you how you can easily create a sitemap in WordPress. To create a sitemap in WordPress, you can use a plugin called Yoast SEO, which is popular and widely used for SEO purposes. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to Plugins, then Add New. Search for Yoast SEO. Click on the Install Now button next to the Yoast SEO plugin. After installation, click on the Activate button to activate the plugin. Once Yoast SEO is activated, you will see a new menu list. You will see a new menu item labeled SEO in your WordPress admin sidebar. Navigate to SEO, then General from the sidebar. Go to the Features tab. Look for the XML Sitemaps feature and make sure it is enabled. If not, click on the Enabled button to activate it. After enabling the XML Sitemaps feature, click on the XML Sitemaps under Options under the SEO menu. You will be taken to the XML Sitemap settings page. Here you can configure. After enabling the XML Sitemaps feature, click on the XML Sitemaps under Options under the SEO menu. You will be taken to the XML Sitemap settings page. Here you can configure various settings related to your sitemap, such as excluding specific post types of taxonomies from the sitemap. Once you have configured the settings according to your preferences, click on the Save Changes button to save your settings. Yoast SEO will now automatically generate a sitemap for your WordPress site. You can access your sitemap by appending /sitemap_index.xml to your site's URL. It is good practice to submit your sitemap to search engines like Google and Bing to help them discover and index your website's content. You can do this by logging into Google Search Console and Bing Webmaster Tools, then submitting your sitemap URL. That is it. You have successfully created a sitemap for your WordPress website using the Yoast SEO plugin. The sitemap helps search engines crawl and index your site's content more efficiently, leading to better visibility in search engine results. Thanks for watching, leave a like, and subscribe.